In today's video, we're making pumpkin French toast. The ingredients are basic, super easy recipe, and you're gonna love it. So let's get started. In this shallow dish, I'm going to whisk 2 eggs. Now, this recipe is perfect for when you have a little bit of leftover pumpkin at the bottom of a can from a previous recipe, or you're just, you just wanna make breakfast a little extra special and you're like, you know what? It's fall, I've stocked up on pumpkin, I have a ton of cans in the pantry, this is it. So let's give these eggs a good whisk real quick. Now this recipe does not have milk, and I did not add sugar to the recipe either. We're gonna add that as a topping. The 2 eggs, I'm going to add my canned pumpkin. I'm gonna add all the ingredient measurements right below this video for you, so you can grab that in the description box as well. To the canned pumpkin, I'm adding vanilla, and also pumpkin pie spice, because we do want to add that extra seasoning and all things pumpkin spice. But if you don't have pumpkin spice, add cinnamon. That works too. So let's combine this mixture. It's kind of thick, but the bread is going to absorb this. Today I'm using thick slices of brioche. Brioche is a sweet bread. You can use plain sandwich bread or thick Texas toast, but the thicker the bread, it prevents your French toast from being soggy. So I'm also gonna give you a few tips on that as we go along. So we're gonna place this in our pumpkin and egg mixture. And my rule of thumb with all of my French toast is 1 egg per slice of. You can see I'm soaking these up, and what I'm going to do is flip them over to the other side. The first side only has to soak up for about a minute or 2. The second side is where it's going to absorb all the liquid into the bread. So now that our French toast has absorbed most of the liquid, we're just going to cook it. I have a large pan here. You can use a griddle, a small pan, and cook them one at a time. But the idea is non-stick, so you can flip it and it won't stick to your pan. And I'm just greasing it with a little bit of butter, but you could also spray it if you want. With my same spatula, I'm going to lift the French toast and place it in my pan, one at a time. And you do want to start with your heat on medium-high at the very beginning. Once we toast the first side, we are going to flip it, lower our heat, and cover it. And that's when the inside of your French toast is going to cook through. All right, guys, this place smells amazing. And let me plate these French toasts. They are on inside. Let's dip a little bit. Grab the ingredients right below the video along with all the other recipes that I mentioned. And of course, while you're down there, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together a few times a week. See you next time.